Hello everyone, in this video we'll check if Samsung Galaxy A17 has summarize function on the web browser. The summarize feature is browsing assist AI feature in the Samsung Internet app. It condenses the content of web page down to main points only. In order to use it, enter Internet app from the Samsung and you should have summarize button. Also, we can go to settings to check if this function is available on this phone. To check it, let's go to settings of the browser, and here we should have summarize. Unfortunately, this smartphone does not have internet summarize feature. If you find the video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.